Imagine you have a playlist with 20 songs, but right now you only want to listen to songs 5 to 10. Instead of creating a whole new playlist manually, JavaScript gives you an easy way to take just that section. That's exactly what Slice does. Slice is a built-in JavaScript method that lets you take a portion of an array and turn it into a new array. The best part is, it does this without changing the original array. Think of it like taking a few songs from your full playlist and putting them into a temporary queue. Your main playlist stays exactly the same. Here's how it works. Inside the brackets, you provide two numbers. The first number tells JavaScript where to start. The second number tells it where to stop. But here's the important part. The second number is not included. So if you write songs.slice 4, 10, JavaScript will take the songs from index 4 up to index 9. It stops right before 10. This is the rule beginners should always remember. Start is included, end is excluded. A really practical example is in music apps. Imagine the home page only wants to show the top 5 trending songs. Instead of loading the entire playlist, the app can use Slice to display just the first few items. So to summarize, Slice lets you take part of an array and create a new one, while keeping the original array untouched. Take the part you need, keep the rest exactly the same.